Hi everyone, I just want to make a video to show how to display the classic look of AutoCAD. I know from about 2007 the AutoCAD there. I know most users prefer that interface, but I know AutoCAD also updated the ribbon view and all the other workspaces as they moved on with their software. So to go back to that display, you can go to this gear. And you'll see there is an AutoCAD Classic option there, but I know in the 2021 there is no option to pick it here, so there's another way to do it as well. First you have to disable the ribbon view. So for that you type in ribbon, close, and you can see it has closed the ribbon. And also I know usually when you do that it hides the menu bar as well, so to get that back you have to go to the drop down menu and say show menu bar. Now from this you can say tools, toolbars, AutoCAD, and you can add draw, and as you can see it displays in that classic way that everyone prefers. And you can also add the layers, and then you can go to tools, toolbars, AutoCAD, and also add the modifier. As you can see, it's displaying as it used to display in the older AutoCADs. I know most of you prefer it this way. And you can also add other toolbars if you prefer. But this is the way the older AutoCAD used to display. So if you want to move from this view back to 3D or 3D modeling, and you can go back to drafting annotation, and it's going to bring back the ribbon view. But I prefer to use the 3D modeling ribbon because there's a lot of tools you use while drawing in 3D. So, and as you can see now the menu bar is gone as well, so I just have to add the menu bar back. And also that is the way I prefer my AutoCAD window to be set up. Thank you for watching. Bye.